Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn about Python dictionary comprehension. How can we use it? Let's see with the help of examples here. As we all know that about the dictionaries, they are the data types in Python and that allow us to store data in key value pair. Okay, so if we talk about dictionary comprehension, it means it is a concise way to create the dictionaries. Okay, so let's see here with the help of example only how can we do that. Just suppose if I have to find out the square of the numbers in one particular range. Okay, like I have to find the square of 10, 11, 12 and the range would be 10 to 20. Okay, the range of 10 would be 100 and the square of 11 would be 121. Okay, so this is how we can easily calculate here also. So let's see, but for doing that let's see the simple method here. Okay, what we can do, square, okay, is equal to, then I will write here curly braces, then 1 is to 1 means the square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4 and the square of 3 is 9 here. Fine, so this type of square I want, so let's do it. But how we will do here? Okay, so for that purpose what I have to do, I will write here square is equal to, so what I want, because it always work in key value, so the first number is always key here. Okay, so the key would be number any. Okay, is equal to colon, then what I have to do, number multiply by 2. Why with 2? Because I want the square. Okay, I have to do it multiply by 2 times. Fine, so this would be my key value. Okay, this is my key and this would be my value. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now the next thing, so let's see here. Okay, just suppose I am defining here square. Okay, square, then I'll write here dictionary. Okay, square dictionary. Fine. Okay, then after that what I'll do, I will, as I have done earlier, what I will do, I will simply write down here number, then number multiply by 2 times I have to multiply, then for num in range. Okay, num in range 1, or you can say 10 comma till 20. Okay, close it. Fine, after that this bracket, exactly, then what I have to do, I have to simply print this. Let's write here. Okay, Control S, let's print and let's run this file. Okay, great, we have the output here, clean and clear output here. You can see the square of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 all are here because we have given the range 10 to 20, so it is going till 19 only. Fine. Now what if I want my output in the statement form? Okay, means a simple English language I want to write down. Okay, like square of 10 is 100. Okay, then how can I do that? Simple, you know what I have to do, I simply have to write down, use here F string. Let's do the changes here only. I'll write here, oh wait, let me copy this, Control C, and let me paste it here and let me comment it out. Okay, fine, then here F this. Okay, after that I want to have my output in English language. Then what I will do, I will simply write down here square, okay, of number, that number I'll get this, okay, is, then double quotes. Fine, this all done. okay, for num in this. Fine, exactly. Okay, I have done this. Now what I'll do, I will simply run this. Okay, let's see. Oh great, I have not given the space here, that's why the space did not came. Let's run it again. Okay, great. So you can see here in the statement form, square of 10 is 100, square of 11 is 121, square of 12 is this. Okay, let me give the space here so that next time when I'll do the changes. Fine. So now another thing here, or what if I want my, see, every the sentence is coming in the one line, each sentence is in coming in one line only, and they are not segregated. Okay, so if we want the output line by line, okay, like square of 10 is 100, then in the next line square of 11 is 121. So what to do in that case, I will simply write down here 4 k key value. Okay, and after that in square dictionary dot items. The mistake, because I was not writing the complete name here, you know, these little mistakes we have to take care. Fine, so let's run this now and see the output. Oh great, so I have got my output now in a one single line. There is no mess up has created in the output. Okay, so now the next thing is that, just suppose we have to simply count, we have to count the number of elements in one one string. Okay, so let's do that also, because I think we already done that, but let's try once again. Okay, so next is here what I have to do. Suppose I have one string school. Okay, just suppose I have one string, let me give it name school. Okay, fine, SC school. Okay, so now here you can see here two words, two letters are here, O and O, they both are same here. So what the dictionary does, dictionary count it, dictionary simply count it, okay, as a, I have to use the counter here now. Okay, so let's see how to do. Word, okay, word dot counter, okay, then is equal to, then char means character. These all are the characters that are present here, S, C, H, O, L. Fine, they all are the characters. Fine, after that character, after character what I have to do, I have to count the string here, string dot count. Okay, I'll use here count. किसको count करना है, I have to count the characters here. Then for, okay, char in string, char in string here. Fine, so after that simply I think it is automatically closed here. Then what I have to print, I have to simply print word dot counter. Okay, word dot counter. So let's run and see what would be the output here. Okay, it is again saying that char is, wait a minute, char string, wait, fine, okay, Control S, let's run. Closing the parenthesis, again there is some problem in the parenthesis. What is the problem? Okay, great, it is saying string is not defined. Okay, no issues. If I'll take some other name, count dot string, string is here only one, I don't know what is happening. Okay guys, the word dot counter is not existing. Okay, so if we'll write here instead of this word, wait a minute, underscore, no issues, okay, char in string. Great, we got the output. Let me clear this window, okay, so that this one output window, you know, okay. So let's see. Okay, yes, where is the output? Let me run it again. Fine, so here is the output. So it is counting like S is equal to 1, C is equal to 1, H how many times 1, O how many times 2, 1 it is how many times? 1 time only. Okay, L is 1 time only. Fine, so this is how we can use it. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, but yes, of course we have to take care of little mistakes. Fine, but what if I use here for loop? Okay, instead of writing all this, if I use for loop, you know, count method is of string only. We use the count method is in string. So what if I'll use here, instead of writing this hash, okay, wait, fine, let me use here for loop for, okay, I in string, string, okay, for I in string. Then what I have to do, print, what I have to print, I. Okay, the loop will run that much time only, how whatever the characters are available here in my school word, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's see. Okay, it is displaying. So the loop has been worked for 6 times. So it is giving me SCHOOL here. Okay, so this is all about for loop. If I have to simply segregate all the letters in this particular word. Okay, next is, what if I have to use the dictionary comprehension with if else? Okay, so we have done everything here. If else, how to use here if else, I think we have done all these things many times. Okay, so let's see once again how to do, because we have done in you know, list comprehension also. Okay, so I'll write here if else. Okay, so let me comment it out first. Great. Okay, so what I'll do, just suppose from the dictionary I want to know that the numbers are odd or even. Okay, so just suppose like D is equal to, I'll write here number 1 is odd. Okay, after that second number is even. Second number is even. Fine, so if I want the output in this way, so what I have to do here, so let's see कैसे करेंगे इसको, देखते हैं अभी. You know, I think I am doing it slowly and it would be much clearer to you how to do it. Okay, so let's see here. Just suppose I am giving the name here odd even. Okay, then is equal to curly braces. I would be the key. Okay, key here I'll use I as a key. Okay, where the value will go from 1 to 10. Okay, I'll give here the range and the value will go from 1 to 10. Okay, so values condition always applied on the value pair. Okay, we have the key and value. Here I is my key, but now I have to write down the value here. So how to do that? Okay, let's see. I, then after that I'll write here colon, then I'll write here I is even, ठीक है, I is even, fine if, even कब होता है, when the number, the remainder comes 0, when this number modulo divided by 2 is equal to 0, okay, else, fine, तो क्या प्रिंट कराए, else odd, okay, fine. After that now for I in range, so I have to give the range also, what, 1, 11, okay. So this is already done, so that means the numbers will go till 1 to 10. So what I will do here, simply print odd even, okay, simple. Control S, let me clear the screen so that, okay, great. You can see here the output, number 1 is odd, number 2 is even, 3 is odd, 5 is even. So you can see the great output over here. This is all about the dictionary comprehension, okay, this is all about dictionary comprehension here. I hope the concept is clear to you, okay, fine. So we have learnt about it, we have seen many examples of dictionary comprehension. How can we write here? It always write in the form of key value, okay, key value pair, fine. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.